Ready to roam? Get out there, get dirty. Kicks has the gear for you and your sidekicks. Keep an eye out for adventure. Record the road, document the drive, inside and out. Want serious excitement? Hardware up top holds your boards, bikes, bags, and a go-to game plan. With more cargo secured outside, there's more room for the crew inside. Seatbelt straps make buckling and unbuckling easy. Fat one? We've got you. Epic adventures? Call for Epic Tech. Now you can lock, unlock, and share access, all in the app. Had enough action? Loading up is a snap with easy access that's light, quick, and grippy. Small pups, big pups, all pups dog pile in. With accessories for Kicks, you and your crew are free to roam.